This short video was taken with my drone using a telephoto lens to show how low the water was. The brown areas are the plants that died when the lake was being refilled. Our dam has two tubes. Here we see the drone flying toward the tube on the north side of the dam. If you look at the area on either side of the red hand wheel, you can see what looks like cracks in the corrugated metal pipe. This may be one of the issues scheduled for repair. Our last video is a demonstration of how a drone can be used to examine a trash rack. The purpose of a trash rack is to prevent debris from blocking the water flow in the tubes. The first step is to get the drone directly above the tube while dodging birds. Then we point the camera down and adjust the drone's position. I put a freeze frame here so you can see it better. Finally, we fly the drone up to avoid hitting anything. Thanks for watching. I'll be putting up more videos soon.